In this video, we'll show you how to install an Oracode 660 cylindrical lock. If the door is already pierced for the cylindrical unit, you can use the cylindrical unit and plate assembly to mark the position of the 3 mounting screw holes and thumb turn hole if applicable. Otherwise, refer to the proper drilling template. Next, install the latch with 2 screws. Ensure the deadlocking pin will stop against the strike when the door is closed. Remember to only use the strike and strike box supplied. Insert the cylindrical unit so that it engages the latch. On the inside trim assembly, turn the lever and install the tension spring between the handle plate and the post. Insert the slotted end of the square spindle into the outside lever hub at the outside housing until it locks at a 45-degree angle. Place the gasket onto the outside housing. Assemble the outside housing on the cylindrical plate. Place 3 spacers on the door and place the inside trim assembly on the door so that the upper and lower spindles engage the thumb turn and the inside lever. Fasten to the outside housing using the 3 mounting screws. Insert the battery holder with 3 AA batteries into the outside housing and secure it with the screws. To install the lever, push it onto the tube until it clicks in place. Pull the handle to make sure it's attached properly. With the door open, verify the operation of the lock. This concludes the installation process for the Oracode 660 cylindrical lock. For customer service, contact Kaba Lodging.